Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I wanted to do a follow-up video to my Tacoma video. So I had quite a few questions, and so there's a couple things I don't think I covered really well in that video, and so I just wanted to follow up with those right now. It's probably going to be a pretty short video because there's just a couple things that I want to touch on, but this is my 2012 Toyota Tacoma TX. I know we're used to hearing, TRD off-road, TRD Sport, TRD Pro, SR5 pre-runner. So I've had a couple questions on what truck is this, because I do have a pre-runner badge on the back, as you can see here. Now, I was looking at some older dealership photos of this truck, and there used to be a red TRD badge right there. I think what they did is they replaced those just to make the truck look a little bit nicer, try to sell it. Probably didn't know much about the actual Tacoma models. And so this is the TX series. There's a couple things that this comes with, but I'm just going to do a broad overview. So up front, normally you'll see a chrome grille, and then in the back, like you saw, I've got a chrome bumper. I actually swapped that out because I just like the black on black better. So I really like the paint match look. The chrome doesn't really bother me so much in some of these areas, but I did want to change those out. And so some things the TX comes with is going to be an upgraded suspension system, which you can see here. This is what I've got going on in the front. I did cover this pretty well in the last video, so if you want to see more about it, go ahead and check that out. So it comes with a upgraded spring for the 2-inch lift in the front. It comes with Bilstein shock absorbers. The rear's got Bilstein shock absorbers with remote reservoirs. And I actually did a Icon Vehicle Dynamics RXT leaf pack back there, so you can check out more of that in my last video if you want to see more of that. But some of the stuff that it comes with is kind of a lot of the off-road features that you're going to see in the TRD off-road, like the locking rear diff. You can see there 4x4, like I said, A-track. Something that I think is really cool that this one comes with is going to be these floor liners. So I do have some floor mats in there because they're easy just to take out and spray down, but this truck has no carpet in it, which I think is just awesome. So you can kind of get in there, and when it gets really muddy after a trip or something like that, it's just really easy to clean up. Like I said, I do have some floor liners in here because I just like taking those out, spraying them off, and then you're good to go. And so you're not going to see like the hood scoop that you're going to see on the TRD Pro, and you're not going to see the leather seats and stuff like that, all of which I don't care about too much. I actually plan on installing leather seats myself pretty soon here in the near future, but that is kind of what the TX series comes with. And so I know it's kind of confusing because you haven't seen a lot of them out there. I think they only made them from like 2011 to 2014. But it's a great truck. So it comes with everything the TRD off-road comes with and a bit more. So I think it was a great buy. I actually didn't even know what the TX series was before I bought the truck. I was searching for a TRD off-road and just happened to come across this one and was stoked. The price was great. Like I mentioned in the last video, it was in pretty rough cosmetic condition experience, especially in the interior, but as I mentioned in some of my previous videos, I've done some stuff to kind of clean that up, and I'm really happy with the truck. So if there's any more questions as related to Tacoma, don't hesitate to reach out. I love talking about this truck. I'm a big fan of Tacomas, so I can talk Tacoma all day long if you guys would like. So if there's any other questions, let me know below. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Sorry this video is a little bit short. I just wanted to touch on some of the questions that I've been receiving to follow up on that last video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you next time. Hope to see you out there.
I can see in all directions.